Okay, today I got two tickers I want to trade. I wanted Plug to be my number one ticker to trade because it was doing good last week. I did notice I don't have shares for short, and I only have shares for short for United Airlines. So I'm going to look at both stocks. I have a second screen that you're unable to see through this video. I'm going to keep track of that through here. But hopefully UAL can give me a good move. If not, I'm going to monitor Plug to see if it goes long, because right now it's selling off at I think almost it's gapped down 8%. So it might just be people that are held positions over the weekend are selling them off in the pre-market. And I'm going to see if it shoots down some more, then bounces back up, then I'll jump into Plug. But from the looks of it, if it continues to sell off, then I can't jump in the trade because my broker has no shorts or no shares for short, so I'll probably just be looking at United Airlines for a move today. United Airlines is kind of slow. It's only 153,000 shares. I'd like to see it at least 400. So if I'm not seeing good volume or price action, it might be one of those days where I just, you don't trade again. And that can be an issue, especially, this thing can be addictive, trading, where you feel like you need to trade every day. But it takes a lot of discipline to not trade. And I would think it'd be the other way around because, you don't want to lose money, but at the same time, you get that addiction of let's make money today. But if you don't see your A plus setups, or if you can't get a decent entry, you just can't take a trade and then you just sit back. And this is where having a second strategy pays off. Once again, I'm going to be working the 5-minute ORB strategy, looking for a pullback for my entry and see if it takes off in the direction that I want it to. But for right now, let's see what happens. We got 30 seconds until the open. I'm watching Plug on my screen off to the left, but right now I just have United Airlines. See if I can see they're bouncing back up towards VWAP. Yeah, 15 seconds, and we'll see what type of action both these tickers give me. I would like to get into Plug because they have a lot more volume. I think they're sitting at almost 2 million right now. All right, here we go. Both United Airlines and Plug are selling off. Hopefully it's just people taking their profits for Plug. So I would like to jump into Plug. And once again, I won't enter the trade until after the 5th-minute candle. That reminds me, let me plot my horizon line, get ready for that. Same on this screen. Alright, United Airlines is continuing to sell off. And once again, if you get a 5-minute candle that has a large range, like United Airlines moved like $1.50, I believe, last week. And if the 5-minute candle moves a whole dollar, you might not get a breakout because it's a lot of range that the shareholders have to go, and it may trade within the range of 42.80 and 42.40, which is not bad. If it gets down to like the 42.20s, then I might have an issue taking this trade. We'll see what happens. So far, Plug is continuing to sell off, which once again, it's not on my screen that's being recorded. Let's see. United Airlines. Let's go. Let's see what you got going on. I'm seeing big asks at 42.82, so it's probably going to get filled pretty soon up in here. Plug seems pretty still selling off. And you can see this here, they're down 1.3, they gap down, so that could bounce back easily just because that's a small range, 1.2%. Plug looks like it's making a reversal. Let's see what happens. I may jump in Plug and bring Plug back onto this screen. Once again, having multiple tickers can be a little scary. because you got too many things to do at one time trying to plot these lines. So far, the 5-minute candle for plug looks pretty ugly, which it'll be a fast trade if I have to get in. If I just see one little pop, I would have to hop in. We're going to be at 3 minutes. United Airlines is selling back down. So I would like to see this hold. You know, if this doesn't break the blue dotted line, which is the VWAP, remember, then I can take this for a long going up. And usually United Airlines, you only get a good 40-50 cent pop going long. Plug is still under VWAP after the 3rd minute. So we're working on the 4th minute right now. Okay, plug just went above the VWAP line. So we'll see what happens. I might be able to get into, let's see here, it's fighting this VWAP. But I think plug is where I want to be because we only have 605,000. I think we'll see what this 4th minute closes at, see where it starts on for plug, then I'll bring plug over to this screen. Okay, I think plug is going to go up. So I'm going to bring plug over and then see what we can get into. Hopefully get a pullback on plug. The range for plug is $5, so I mean I really don't have to worry about the ATR for the 5-minute candle. I do want to see a pullback. If it just keeps going, I'm going to have to see some big orders come here for me to jump in and not get my A+ setup where this thing comes back down, at least over here. So we'll see what happens. And once again, I'm risking $60, so 20 cents. Alright, let me get ready to plot my line and then hoping for a pullback. If it doesn't pull back, I don't know if I want to get into this. Okay, there's my pullback. I plotted my line a little too short, but I want a deeper pullback. Well, I'm going to pull back over here somewhere. I don't want to jump in too prematurely because then I could get stopped out as it continues to pull back where I'll hit my 20 cents and lose my money. Come on, get that pullback some more. We got 15 seconds. I want a deeper pullback. I'm not liking the shallow pullback. I got a big pullback order. It was 50. Okay, let's see what this one does. There we go. We got a deeper pullback. Now this thing sells off, and then, I pretty much lost my opportunity. But it just, so I've got big orders at 50.10. If I can get this to burst down. Look at that. All those big orders going down. Come on down. Yeah, I gotta watch. I gotta be, I got real big orders on my bid side that shows that it could be coming down to 50. Okay. We'll see what happens. If it goes above 50 or hits back up 50, I'll hop in it. We'll see what happens. Yeah, see how it's coming back. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna enter and see what happens. I entered at 51, so at 49.70 I got to get out. So we'll see what happens. I'm out. Oh man, yeah, I got stopped out prematurely. Let's see what happens. Let's go down one more time. What are we gonna do, guys? This one's tough. Let's see what United Airlines is doing. This one is very volatile still. It's an account killer. This thing, yeah. This thing is trading in range. Let's see what Plug's gonna end up doing. All right, Plug is selling off, and yeah, I mean, I hit my threshold for the day. I lost $107. I thought I was gonna get a nice pullback, but as soon as you see the candle go below the VWAP, it's more likely gonna reverse on you. I'm going to go to United Airlines and keep tabs on that and see if I can get into a trade. Ending video, because right now I'm just waiting. United Airlines is trading within the range of my 5 minutes, so not looking good.